Good morning. My name is Laudy Ramirez, industrial engineering student. K-Punch Permac owns 8 people and restaurants, especially for freight food, specialized people eat with part heat it adverts. Therefore, in an adversity in best the scene. K activities. Proportion of foreign food such as China, Japan, Morocco, India, Turkey, etc. At all allows comparing two restaurants, especially in those cultures, chance through social networks, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, advertising, public routes, banner, billboards, local. Relations with the public y good treating with customers in providing with a good services of tram or products to cheer through hard or cash is best the parents. Value proposal. We provide foreign soul food at low cost show dollar have do go to restaurant with shaped food as for more in restaurant owner supermarket. We satisfy the curiosity to cannot new type of folk web of food and culture. Customer relationships with the public and would dealing with customers province the wins a good transport services for our product at home. Low cost zone with our young customer where we your with information via social mediante Twitter, Instagram, Facebook y with our all customer via advertisements. Vale. Maker sense. All kinds of customers, young people, very old people, to lesser extent, care resource on establishment specialists of people providing design of work in advancing a channel with all super channels through social network, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, advertising on public road, banner, billboard, through the word social network are these most profitable. Cost structure. The most important costs are the products to be sold, the premises, the warehousing y specialized person or helpers. Cost is the salary of the worker y the maintenance of the premises. Provide transport vehicle basically for product at home. Source of income. Product of different values. The opportunity to consume fresh product be card or cash. Permanent invents. The arts value of company. Awards of property model is do clear and errors do list of strengthen book you so for soleil on sector clear explain what hardware from you pro must say what different from competitive disadvantages no very clear on one though of not very clear about the cause, not have a diverse product. Thank you.